现在是2024年德国 Formnext 3D 打印展会现场。在后面的话就是 2onelab， 这个公司的名字也是第一次听啊。他们呢就是做金属3D 打印设备的，就是高性价比的设备。根据他们的说法，这是他们打印一些样件。他们可以打印的东西是挺小的，我感觉挺小的。我看看他们金属机，这里是他的台金属机，打印平台挺小的一台金属机，高性价比的一台金属机。Good. Yeah. Okay.
And we are
wait.
And then we have over 800,000 followers.
Oh.
So we
make a video.
Your brand is why we first meet. So we
Yeah.
take the videos and post on our website. If
Make it
customer
so.
need it, then it will maybe find you. Yes.
So,
Yeah. I want to know something about your company or your machine.
So we are a new company.
Mm-hmm.
We are on the market. Should I just put it here
Okay.
or just talk? So we are a new company on the market since 2021. I'm one of the founder of the company. The company is called 2onelab. We are based in Germany, in a small city Darmstadt, next to Frankfurt, next here to the Formnext. And we are a producer of 3D metal printers, small systems with a building range of 100 millimeters or 150 to 150 millimeters, but with a very, very small footprint, what you can see here, for example. So the printers are very small, they fit easily through every door. And the main application of our systems are dental, so we can produce with the printers titanium or cobalt chrome. And we are not providing just the printers, we're providing also the software to the printers. It means the CAM software where you can load the file, nest it, slice it. We have a wide range of parameters for different powders, for different providers of the powders. And we also provide all the accessories what you need around the printer. Means the sieving system, vacuum cleaner, nitrogen generator, a furnace for heat treatment, and also a bandsaw if you need for cutting away the parts from the building platform, or a sander to reuse the building platform for the next job.
OK。这家公司就是从提供打印机，也提供粉末，还有软件这一块，所有的整个，然后他们是就在德国本土，然后 so your company position is just near Frankfurt.
Yes, exactly.
Yes,
20 minutes from.
you are the new company and established on 2021.
2021.
2021 2021年成立的新公司，就德国本土企业，就靠近法兰克福这个城市。
对
OK。So
好的，谢谢 ，Thank you。
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.